Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working on iOS 17. So guys, many of you are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, you are facing an issue of alarm sound that your alarm sound is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check the volume. Make sure that the volume on your iPhone is turned up. You can adjust the volume by going to the control center, and from here you can adjust your volume. After this, then you have to do is check the ringer switch. Make sure that the ringer switch on the side of your iPhone is not set to silent mode. If the switch shows an orange color, it means your iPhone is in silent mode. So you have to disable it. Then you have to do is make sure that this do not disturb is disabled on your iPhone. To disable it, you have to go to the control center on your iPhone. Now you can see your option do not disturb. Simply tap on it and disable it. After trying these steps and still facing the issue, then move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restarting your iPhone can resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings. Now scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your iPhone alarm sound is not working properly, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. That this will reset all settings on your iPhones to their default values, but it won't delete your personal data. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix that issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.